G'day mates, how's it going? I'm Mr. GT, welcome to the channel. Today you find me at Earlwood, Wetherill Park for the All Aussie Auto Show. We're going to do a walk around and check out what's here and share it with you guys. So grab that nice ice and cold beer, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. No music either, beautiful. Right, check out this XC Cobra. This one's got the 302 engine in it, 4.9 litre V8. Fully immaculate.
Oh no, I'm jealous. I'm jealous.
Check out inside, looking sick. Yes sirree. Globes. Wild. And there's a lot of info here. Pause the video and have a look at those.
Mate, there's nothing on these here. No, you won't have it. I'll wait a couple of years. Oh, I do drive, not you. It's 12 years old, don't really get that.
Obviously an original beast. Wild. Check out the XC, looking immaculate. XC Ute. And another one next to it in the grey, looking sweet. This one's got quite a bit going on under the bonnet. Beautiful. XA GT Coupe. No mucking around now, this looks just like mine did. Same colour.
Wasn't back in the days. Yeah, I know. I bought a 350 back in Genuine.
Same colour as mine, this. Crazy. And another coupe next to it. I had the 351 badge there from the console as well. Not sure if I'm getting it. The sun's sort of hitting the camera. This one's a XC. Oh, look at the coupes together. That's wild. Lando, my cousin Tass, eat your heart out. This thing here, my cousin had one of these in blue. Full luxury. The two-door version of the LTD. Big wheels. My cousin's was blue and it had a white vinyl roof. Check out this XA. Look, and sick Scotch shaker on it. What? ZG Fairlane. Now my dad had one of these in the gold colour. This has got the New York police stuff on it. Sweet. XB Coupe GT. Looking sick in that yellow. XA GT 4-door, looking sweet in that olive green colour. Nice. XB GT Coupe, nice colour on this. Let's have a look inside, windows are open. Nice. Have a look under the engine bay at the sweet Clevo. Crazy. Fairmont XB wagon, looking sick, and I'll check out the colour on this XB GT. Wild. Sunburnt orange. Thank you, sir. Oh, there's some great cars here. Check out this XW GS. Sweet. And this Falcon Looking immaculate, nice paint. Beautiful interior. No mucking around. Check out the GT XY panel van. You can have a read of that, pause the video. Nice colour interior. Engine bay. Sweet. There is something else on the other side of this stand. Nice. Check out the XY Fairmont 351.
Nice to see
Pause the video and have a look at that. Now it's got the boot popped open. Okay, just probably cleaning something. Nice. How you going, buddy? Your name?
Shane.
Shane, nice to meet you, my dear sir.
Yeah, nice
Even though we have met a few times before, but for the camera, you're on first time.
Beautiful,
so,
beautiful.
You've got this beautiful XY Fairmont 351.
351,
XY, yeah, we said. Mate, how long have you had it?
I've had it 10 years.
Okay.
10 years.
Tell us a bit about it.
Second owner. It's done...
Second owner only, yeah?
Yeah.
Mad.
81,000 original miles. Unrestored, mostly original paint.
That's fantastic.
I'm very lucky to get this car.
Yeah.
All I'm doing is maintain it. That's all I want to do.
Fantastic, brother.
Original plate since new. Never been unregistered.
Oh, you serious? Never been unregistered, eh? Yeah, that's right. No historic plates or anything.
Northern Beaches car.
Oh yeah.
Fantastic, brother.
Grease and oil and fish oil everywhere.
That's mad. Yep, keep the rust away.
Yeah, keep the rust away.
That's it.
Nah, he's car. We can name the car Billy after William, who owned the car. So
it's all standard, motor, all that stuff.
Yep, all
everything's
matching numbers standard.
As it came out from the factory.
yeah, 351 T-bar, 9-inch dual pipes, and remote control racing mirror. No radio.
Fantastic, brother. So these come out with the FMX, don't they? FMX
C4
or the C4. All right,
yeah,
C4.
Yeah, C4. Yeah, no, she's a beautiful car. I feel very privileged to own it.
Good on you, brother. Drives nice and smooth.
Beautiful. Like an old lounge chair.
That's it, mate. If you're maintaining it, that's That's it. Fantastic.
Yeah.
All right, my brother. Thanks very much for talking to us.
Cheers, George.
Enjoy the car. Look after it, brother.
Thanks, mate.
Mate, full original this thing. As you see it, this is how they came out from the factory. Car's original, unrestored, never been unregistered. And there's the engine, untouched. Fantastic. Alright, XWGT, looking fully immaculate, brand new condition.
Well, it's just in your drop down, so I wanted to do all that. It's lower down, wasn't it?
And check out the Valiant. Beautiful. The Slant 6. Nice. It's beautiful GS XW.
So you reckon that's a 221? Yeah. Now because like on the set,
Got the shaker.
what is it? The 221, the 2.
Check out the interior. The seats in this, eh? Wild. Good colour.
I'll show the
Check out this immaculate beast. Sweet. The Falcon Coupe. That's nice. Well, let's continue on over here. ZH Fairlane. Marquee. Beautiful. Monaro 2-door. Bit going on under the bonnet there. Nice. Check out this Chrysler, ladies and gents. Beautiful colour. It's wild. Check out the rims, eh? Sweet. Falcon G6E in brand new nick. Check out the Ute Commodore, looking sweet. Check out the Mitsubishi, ladies and gents, looking tough. And another one just like it next to it. Different colours. That looks wild with the scoops though. Tough coming at ya. Check out this early model Ford. Looking solid. And there's another one next to it. '64 Holden EH, immaculate. And another EH next to it, shining like a star. Beautiful paint. Check it out. That's wild. And this thing too. This one's a '63. Wow, what a colour. Check that out. V6, supercharged. No mucking around, that's sick.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, how we going, brother?
Yes, sir. What's this,
How
mate?
you going, mate? Well,
Hello.
You got your beast here? Hello.
No, it's actually out of Rego.
Oh.
I've been working flat out this week. I just didn't get a chance.
Oh well.
Maria, George,
Hi, I met
Hi.
before.
Mr.
Yeah.
PT, you met?
Yep.
Yeah, it's actually out of Rego.
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Check out the Tirana, ladies and gents. Sick. I think we're gonna have to speed it up a bit. The Datto look on the Mac. Check it out. Beautiful. GTS Monaro. This beautiful Monaro over here. Sick. This thing's wild, ladies and gents. I'm gonna have to speed it up because I've noticed the battery didn't charge on this thing and I'm gonna run out. Check out the beasts, ladies and gents. We'll just do a quicker walk past them.
Ready to go? Anyway, poor old Corey, how he died.
Crazy. Check this out. Hello, brother. How we go? Check out the Valiant Coupe GTP. Check it out, eh? That's wild. GTS Monaro in the lovely orange, but it is a Ute, so it's not a Monaro. Calais VL, sweet. SLR 5000 in a beautiful red colour. The Chevy Bel Air 57. Check out the XB Coupe. This looks like Curtis's colour. My mate used to have a two-door coupe like that colour. Sweet. The Monaro, four-door, the Mac. Got the Monaro looking sweet. Yeah, how we going, lads? All good? Pretty good, brother. Yeah, I know.
You heard something.
Really, I'm talking to my ghost. But if I tell you, you should think I'm crazy. So.
Does the ghost reply back to you, mate?
Yeah.
He does? That's the main thing.
He says, when I make a mistake, he says, "That's not a Mustang de Malacca."
It's a Salika.
That's it. Oh, lads, enjoy the show, eh? See yous. XYGT looking sick in the red and gold. Yes, sirree. GT, love these things. Wouldn't mind owning one, and another one next to it. And the Jubilee Ford dealer, Falcon. Let's go over to this side, get the GTS Monaro. Now we'll be doing a separate video which you will have already seen of these cars leaving. So that'll be coming up before this video. I always like doing the cars leaving videos before I do the walkarounds. I like to save the walkaround videos for weekdays and usually put the go talk about it.
Had it for 60 years.
Alright, we'll go have a look at it, eh? I'll just walk past, film these cars, and as soon as we get to your car, we'll stop and have a little chat before the battery dies on this.
I'm getting bushwork on and walking around and looking at things.
Yeah, check out the lovely VN. XYGT, looking sick. VR or VS. Alright.
So, cars here than in the car.
Check out the Chevy Impala, ladies and gents, and I've got the owner here. Brother, what's your name?
Trevor Hunter.
Trevor, nice to meet you, mate.
Yeah.
Tell us, what model Chevy Bel Air is, no, that's Impala.
It's 1966 Chevy Impala.
How long have you had it for?
60, well, it's nearly 60 years. Yeah.
So, you bought this just used, eh? Like one owner or brand new?
No, I got a second hand, yeah. And that many years, that long ago, I've had it for that long, it's just become a family.
Have you restored it or left it as it was from back then?
No, we restored it and give it a rust, a proper rust stuff, like we used to call it soup, not the thin stuff, so that they just don't rust.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's got an original exhaust on it, stainless steel. When it used to be all good stainless steel.
Beautiful.
Yeah, but today it's
check it out.
oh, he's locked it.
It's all right, the sun's shining in so we can still see.
He'll be back. You can't really appreciate it.
Got all the pillows and stuff from back in the day. I remember when I was a kid seeing those things.
You got the key? Just open the door.
Yeah, we got it.
Yeah, right. I'll just have a quick look. Just see the inside out.
Sick, ladies and gents. Fully Mac.
3-speed power glide.
Yeah, for the auto.
Auto.
Yeah.
Rather than the 2.
No shit.
Okay.
That is Chev, they're looking at it. Filming him. I'm just
First time he's ever drove it in his life.
Oh, right.
And he's 60 years old.
Oh, that's crazy.
Get all that stuff off the seat.
Yeah, no, it's all right.
Push it on the
We're
floor.
coming.
Check it out, ladies and just a bench seat.
Yeah, just a bench.
Beautiful.
Windows all down. No,
Oh yeah, there's no pillar, yeah.
No pillar.
Yep, you can see from this door. Yeah, that's wild. Check that out, eh, without the pillar. Nice. Immaculate door cards, look at that, full luxurious. No mucking around.
Anything. It's been with the family.
60 years. That's wild. Good on you, brother, you've looked after it beautifully.
Yeah.
How often do you take it out on the road?
Well, this is the first time it's been out on the road for, how many years been now?
Last time I drove it was 38 years ago.
Wow, and then today,
Yep.
after 38 years you got driven today?
No, last time I drove it was 38 years.
Oh right, okay.
And I would have drove it probably, I haven't drove it probably for 20 years.
There you go, the burble of the V8, ladies and gents. No mucking around. Okay, thank you very, very much for talking to us.
Thank you.
Showing us the car. Highly appreciate it. Look after it, brother. Enjoy many more miles in it.
You can do that in it because they don't break down these.
Exactly, they last.
They last.
Unlike today's cars.
Yeah. I even put a trailer hook on at the back of it. And I used to drive to South Australia.
Oh, wild. It's done some mad cruising. Fantastic.
Yeah, good cruise car. Yeah.
Okay, thanks very much, eh?
Thank you.
We'll see you again. Look after it. All right, let's continue on after seeing that car. Yeah, how we going, buddy? You all good? That's the way.
Going on, mate. Long time.
Yeah, I reckon, my brother.
I've seen you down at Cootamundra, so it looks like you had a real good time there.
Yeah, fantastic, brother.
Yeah, some great turn up today. Beautiful cars here,
Right,
as
yeah.
you would expect.
Yeah, some good and rare examples.
Yes. No Sasha though.
Yeah.
Where's he? Hiding
I
somewhere?
don't know, mate. I saw him. Was it last week or the week before?
Going bush for the weekend.
The one at Penrith, yeah, probably.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Are you well?
Yeah, well, brother.
Oh, cool.
You?
Cool. Yeah, not too bad. Not
That's
too bad.
it.
Just hanging in there, you know.
That's the way, my brother.
I just come out for a look today. So
Yeah, no worries.
yeah, take it easy.
You
Monaro's
too,
back
brother.
on the road, so maybe next time you might see the Monaro.
All right, we'll have a chat about it.
Yeah, really good car.
No worries.
See ya.
All right, thanks, brother. Check out the GT. And another one next to it. They look good, eh? Nice and beefy. Check out the Muzzy in the dark grey. Nice rims. Check them out. Nice colour. All right, we're just about to run out of battery, so we'll just keep filming until she runs out. Try and get as much as I can. We have a scale. I said, woofy, woofy, woofy. Yes, sir.
I passed out drunk.
Mr. GT.
Yeah, how we going, buddy? All good? Yeah, we're up to the yellow with the battery. I don't know, it didn't charge for some reason. I had it on charge, but maybe the connection wasn't in right. Not sure, but yeah, if it just goes out. Oh, we've got some music playing in the background, so we're going to have to kind of stop it here. Got the food truck. That's what they're serving, ladies and gents. Nice. So there's a whole ton of cars over here too. But of course, let's try and get as many of these as we can and get away from the music. Before the battery dies. Check this out, ladies and gents. What a beast this XE, and it is excellent. The plates suit it beautifully. Nice. Check out the Dado. These cars in, try to get whatever's here. Is that G Fairlane coming in the green? My neighbour had that. My dad had one and my neighbour had that exact colour. Check this animal out, ladies. See you later. VKSS. Some of these bricks are starting to go. possible before the battery dies. Ladies and gents, if the battery dies, and you see the video stop all of a sudden, you know what happened. Check out the Mad Max MFP pursuit car, sweet. Charger, XR6, GTS, Monaro, the Valiant.
Oh, you've made it's worth too much money not to do that way. Even the original weather.
We're going to be lucky. Make these two look sick together. Mate, there's some beautiful cars here today. Check out this immaculate XT. One more row to go, and if we're lucky, we'll get it all in.
GT,
How we going, buddy? All good? That Wild Commodore. Sick. Oh, the Leylands. Mad Tirana. Looking sick. How we going? Check out that beautiful coloured GTS. The Valiant. The VK.
You're nothing without your help. Alright, cheers.
Crazy. Magic cars. I think I'll try, if possible, to get the cars that I missed up on this side. Love these V5000, ladies and gents. That's sick. The side, the Capri, and the SS VF. Check out this VL. Sick. Another lovely GTS VF, the Dado. Check out what's going on the top on that, eh? Sick. David's car, Erupt. That's sick. Valiant. The Wagon Valiant. The Kingswood.
I get the caramel.
Check out the Escort, eh? Nice. And that's about it. I think we're back to where we started here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Had to rush it a bit at the end because the battery is just about to go. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for the support. See you all in the next one. Bye for now.